In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz for a video in Moodle. We're going to set up a quiz so that students see a video first and then answer questions right below it. This approach keeps everything in one place and guides learners from watching to responding without jumping between activities. Start by opening your Moodle course and turning on editing. This gives you access to add or modify activities. Next, add a new quiz activity, or open an existing quiz if you already have one you want to enhance with a video. Either way, you'll land on the quiz settings page, which is where the key setup happens. In the quiz settings, look for the field labeled Description or sometimes Introduction, depending on your Moodle version. This is the space that appears at the very start of the quiz, before any questions. Click into the editor for this field. You're going to place your video here so it appears at the top of the quiz page. To insert your video, you have a couple of options. If your video is hosted on a platform like YouTube, grab the HTML embed code and insert it using the editor's HTML option. If the video file is saved locally, you can upload it directly through the Media tool in the editor. Keep in mind that large files can take longer to load for students, so a web-optimized version is helpful. Also, if captions are available on your video, that's great for accessibility. Below the video, add a short message with clear instructions. For example, you might tell students to watch the video in full and then scroll down to begin the quiz, or note approximately how long the video will take to watch. This guidance sets expectations and reduces confusion. When you're done, save the quiz settings. This locks in the video and the instructions at the top of the quiz page. Now click Edit Quiz to add your questions as you normally would. Any multiple choice, true or false, short answer, or other question types you add will appear after the introduction section. This means that when students start the quiz, they'll see the video first, and once they scroll past the description, the questions will be waiting. That's it. You now have a single quiz activity that presents a video followed by questions, keeping the learning experience smooth and focused. Keep your video concise, use clear instructions, and make sure the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile so students can easily watch and then respond.